Ever wonder what $1 million renovation gets you in Pagosa Springs? Well, you're about to find out.
This unique property is situated on 2 lots, and what used to be a home under 1,500 square feet has transformed into 2 homes with over 5,400 square feet of living and garage space. The main home has a wraparound deck that allows you to enjoy the surrounding pines that offer plenty of shade during the summer. Upon entering, you'll find an open floor plan of dining to kitchen to living room. The kitchen features a 9-foot custom concrete island. There's 3 swing arm industrial bar stools below it. Hickory soft close cabinets round out this kitchen along with a vintage Ford tailgate swing up for appliance storage. And we can't forget about this 1954 fully restored gas stove.
And this beautiful stove actually has history to it. It was used to cook for a US president.
As you head down the hallway, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a study area, which is next to the master suite.
The master suite is a brand new addition to this home, and everything within it screams luxury.
The vaulted ceilings make this area seem absolutely huge. There's a gas fireplace and a large sitting area looking out towards the backyard. The bathroom features a 40 square foot dual head shower, and then there's the large walk-in closet connecting the master bath to the laundry room, complete with dual countertops, double-sided cabinetry, a drying station, linen storage, and more. Alright, you've seen the main house, but the true star of this property is the detached 4-car garage that's more than just a garage. This area is a car lover's paradise. Not only does this 3,000 square foot workshop allow you to park all kinds of vehicles and motorcycles, it's also heated to ensure year-round enjoyment. There's 2 10-foot clear grid garage doors that make you feel as if it's always open to the outdoors. Off to the side is a diner kitchen with high-end subway-style tiling and stainless trim. There's a powder bath with easy access from both the garage and the kitchen. Upstairs is a large multi-purpose room with a Queen Murphy bed that is currently used as an exercise room. There's a full bath with custom tile shower and custom vanity sinks. And finally, you have to take a look at this media room, which features 5 custom-made, heated, zero-gravity leather recliners, all pointed to an 88-inch flat-screen TV. This is absolutely the perfect place that allows you plenty of room to store all your toys needed to go explore the great outdoors here in Colorado. If you have any interest, hit us up. We'd love to share a beer with you and show you just how magical this place really is. Cheers.